welcome to our channel. You're here in what Celeste doing today. We just got home from work and I'm giving them a watermelon because we have, I'm gonna show you, okay? I'm gonna show you what we have. The ladies is very good to us. So when we check their coops, we have 3 eggs. So just gonna open the coops. And show you what we got. Of course, need a little cleaning, but look at that. We have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. So yeah, I'm so happy. We've been waiting for that for so long. So now they start laying egg. I'm very happy and I'm updating you guys what's going on. That's why I give them a watermelon, so that this is their coops. You know, it's a little dirty, but we're gonna clean it soon. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna selfie with my egg right there. I don't know how you're gonna see the ba. But by the way, hi ladies. Hi. You make mom and daddy happy today. We've been waiting for that for so long. But by the way, that's it. Bye for now. If you want to leave your comment, suggestion, any question, leave in the comment box. And I'm updating you know, soon again. So thank you for watching. Excuse me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Bye.